Here we have a problem on honors algebra 2. Okay, let's go with the question. If f of x equals to 1/4 of x positive 1 over 5, find f inverse of x. So we have to find the inverse of the given function. Okay, so to get inverse of the given function, our first step what we need to do is we have to replace this f of x by y. So when I replace this f of x by y, then I'm getting y equals to 1/4 of x positive 1/5. So this is the first step. In my second step, what I need to do is I have to switch the x and y. So when I switch x and y, I'll be getting x equals to 1/4 of y positive 1 over 5. So at the place of y, I wrote x. At the place of x, I wrote y. So this is the second step. Okay, in the third step, what I need to do is I have to solve for y in this equation in terms of x. Okay, let's solve for y in terms of x. For that, I have to get rid of this positive 1 over 5. For that, I have to subtract 1 over 5 from both sides. So when I do so, this positive 1 over 5, negative 1 over 5 will cancel out. So I'm getting x negative 1 over 5 is equal to 1/4 of y. Okay, so to solve for y, I have to get rid of the denominator 4. Once I get rid of the denominator 4, so I'll be getting the stuff which is equivalent to y. So for that, I have to multiply both sides by 4. So this 4 will cancel out, and we can distribute this 4 to this x and negative 1 over 5. So when I distribute 4 to x, it will be 4x. When I distribute this 4 to negative 1 over 5, it will be negative 4 over 5. So whenever we multiply a fraction by a whole number, so we have to multiply the numerator by the whole number. 4 times 1 is 4, and denominator is taken as it is. So we get 4 over 5 here. On the right side, we just have y. So now I have solved for y. That is y is equal to 4x negative 4 over 5. So far, we have completed 3 steps. The first step, we replaced f of x by y. The second step, we just switched x and y. In the third step, we have solved for y in terms of x. So the final step, that is fourth step, our final step is we have to replace this y by f inverse of x. So f inverse of x equals to 4x negative 4 over 5. So I got the inverse of the given function.